Hello ma'am, my name is Joseph Jones SW, my registration number is UR14CS156. I am going to do the first lab experiment of the Unix lab. In this lab experiment we are supposed to do the basic shell commands. So the first one is to create a directory. For this we are using the mkdir command. The mkdir creates a new directory. So here the syntax is mkdir space and then the directory name which you want to create. Okay, so here I have given it my name as Jones. Okay, so that's it. Next one is we have to change to the directory. So for changing the directory we have to use the command cd. Cd, you know what it does is it represents change directory. So we are now moving to the directory Jones. Okay, that can be seen here. It is changed from root to Jones. Next one, we have to create a file student.detail.txt. Okay, here we have created the file. For creating the file we have to use cat greater than symbol then the file name .txt. Okay, then for viewing the file we have to use cat space file name .txt. Okay, that's it. So this is that it is typed using the greater than command and it's viewed using the cat space Jones command. Okay, fine. The next one, display the student names with the registration number and department whoever is having elective as data warehouse. Okay, so for this we have to use the command called grep. The grep command is used to obtain a pattern from the specific text file. Okay, so here the syntax is grep space the pattern space the file name. Okay, so the pattern is data warehouse from the file jones.txt. Okay, so in this data wherever the data warehouse is there, the entire line will be displayed using the grep command. Next one, display number of students having the elective as CAD. Okay, from this first we have to obtain the value from the by using the grep command. Then the value is concatenated, that this code is concatenated with the word count code. When both are concatenated, the resultant will be the number of students having CAD as their elective. Okay, next one, display the file in sorted order. This is sorting. Okay, for this the syntax is sort -n and file name. This automatically sorts the file contents of the file. Okay, next one is to create a new backup file with backup.txt with the same contents as the student. So this is very easy. So we are copying the content from one file to another file. For this we are using cp command. Cp copies the file from the source file to the destination file. So backup is my destination, Jones is my source, so I'm copying it from here to here. Okay, that's it. So whenever we use ls command and see, we will be getting two files instead of one right now. Okay, next one, we are renaming the backup file to save file. For renaming, we can't rename directly in the shell command, so we have to use the mv command. So we are moving backup.txt to save.txt. So the backup will be erased and it will be replaced by save.txt. Now when you use ls command, here you had backup, but now it's changed to save.txt. How many files are available under dev? To find the number of files in the dev root, we have to use ls. Ls displays the number of all the files, and wc displays the word count. So when both are combined, it displays all the files under the root node. To display the current time, this is very easy. To display the current time, we are just using the date command. Date command automatically gives the date and time both. Next one is to display the June month of the year 2017. So for this we are using cal space 6 and 2017. This is enough. We'll get the June 2017 calendar. Okay, so next one is store the username whoever is logged into the system now and save it into a file. So for viewing who and all have logged into the system right now, we have to use the command who. Okay, then to write the content into a file, we have to use similar to the first one, we have to use cat greater than users.txt. So this writes all the contents from the who to the users.txt file. Okay, so when we view the users.txt file, all the information will be present there. Next one is how many words are present in the file student.txt. Okay, so the number of words in the file that we have created. So for this we are using word count space -w. This returns the word count of the file, destination file. Okay, next one is find the terminal number you are using. For this we have to use the command who am I. Okay, using the who am I command, we will get the respective terminal command. Okay, next one is display the content under your home directory including hidden files. So to view, ls shows all the contents of the current directory. ls-a displays all the contents including the hidden files of the current directory. Next one is create an alias name unhidden for command displaying file. Okay, so here we are just creating an alias for the command ls, the above mentioned command ls-a command. Okay, next one is what is the process id of the shell you are using. So process id, for finding the process id we have to use a code called ps. So ps, when using ps command, automatically the process id and other information of the shell is displayed. Create an empty files with the extension .txt, .doc, okay, etc. So here I have created 10 extensions, 10 files. Okay, so first 5 I have given here, second 5 I have given here. While using ls command you can see all the 10 files. Next one is create a directory named csc and move all the text files, only the text files into the directory. Okay, so similarly for creating a directory named csc we have to use the mkdir command, then we have to move only the text files. So mv star, okay, all the text files .txt files into the csc folder. So now all the text files will be moved into the csc folder. Now we are changing to the csc directory. In the csc directory, when we use ls command, we could see all the text files present there. Next, display the last 3 lines of the file student.txt, the text file that we have created. Okay, so the last 3 lines, to create the last 3 lines we have to use the command tail -n. So tail -n returns the number of lines, so we have to give the value. So the value we given it as 3 and the file name, destination file name. So it returns the last 3 values of the file. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.